ng tatay, father-in-law, sabi ko, sige, huwag ka ng gunting, bili ka ng bago. Isang pitik lang yan. Well, anyway, we are here to visit you. And also, the last time my trip was cut short by the Marawi. As a matter of fact, I signed the martial law declaration dito. I was still in Moscow. Pero na ako. Within 6 hours, at mabutit naman, pakabait ni Presidente Putin, malayo siya. I think he was somewhere out of, I'm flying in, and we will talk. Nagkapag-usap kami, madalian. Sabi ko, if God will allow it, and I'd still be around, I will come back. So, I fulfilled my promise to thank him for the help, yung mga baril na pinadala niya. Kasi may nangyari kasi. Ang Amerika, nung pumutok ang Marawi, nagbili kami ng mga armas. Putang ina niya. Ang kalaban nila ako. Kasi ginaganong ko daw yung mga drug people, drug lords. Pinara ng Congress. So, pati yung choppers, nagbili kami. Sabi ng Bell Helicopter Company na magpabili sila pero hindi ko pwedeng lagyan ng armas. Di mo kagago ng mga ulol. You cannot kill your own citizens. My God, my own citizens are killing lahat na barangay captain, basta kalaban mo ang NPA, lahat, pinapatay, sundalo. Sabi ko, hindi ako makabili ng armas para to defend my government and even my own survival. Kaya ako napilitan pumunta ng China. Sabi ko, galit man ang China kay Aquino. Sabi ko, I'm here to make friends. Then ununa ko, sabi ko, itong South China Sea. Sabi ni President Sina, no, hindi natin muna pag-usapan yan. Pero sabi ko, I am here to dig oil. Sabi niya, you cannot do that. But it doesn't mean to say that hindi na tayo kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin balang araw. Ngayon may bago. Walang claim. They are proposing, China is proposing 60-40. 60 yung atin. Kanila pa yung equipment. Kanila pa yung dig. Bigla na tayo.